Hello, I'm Nick and watching Next Camera Advisor. Today we are talking about Shark av911 robot cleaner. You should know about this Shark av911 robot cleaner. Stay connected with this video to know this. What is Shark av911 robot cleaner? It is the Bagless vacuum cleaner that successfully holds as long as 30 days of flotsam and jetsam and soil. It is self-purging vacuum cleaner with staggering attraction highlights. The cleaner can clean fine reduced particles, pet hair, and different other flotsam and jetsam in and around your home. There is a return and re-energize framework in which the cleaner gets back to the base, re-energizes itself and again continues its cleaning business. It is likewise cover the origins of the pets and unsalvageable particles from the pet body. Advantages of the product. First, as per Shark av911s is a robot vacuum review, the cleaner has top quality pet hair cleaning choice in the United States. Second, it has an element that constantly exhausts the soil into a bigger outer dustbin. Third, it has a long battery life in a contrast with another vacuum more clean. Fourth, it is likewise accessible at a reasonable cost for the shoppers. Disadvantages of this product. First, the appear to be that there is a high repairing cost in the vacuum more clean. Second, there are many parts in the cleaner which should be cleaned roughly. Do comment your thought about this product. Please like this video and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.